Hi crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs and thanks for stopping by. Today's project is we are going to be unboxing the Gina K Designs mystery box, so stay tuned. First, I wanted to start out and wish everybody a happy new year. This is my first video of the new year. I had pre-recorded a bunch for over the holidays because we were traveling out to San Francisco to see my brother and his family. So this is my first one. And I'm excited because we get to spend it with Gina K Designs. So this is the mystery box. Gina releases these at the end of the year, towards the end of December. And she releases mystery boxes and mystery bundles. And they tend to sell out quickly, and this year was no exception. So this is sold out at this time, but I will list everything from the mystery box in the description section below the video in case something catches your eye. And I do have affiliate links. The bundles and the boxes are a great value if you can get your hands on them. And I would highly encourage you to check me out over on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel as I post crafty sales and special items there, so you won't miss the opportunity to purchase these items when they are available for sale. Alright, let's dive in. What I've decided to do as an exciting celebration for the new year and all of that is that if I receive any, let me stick this in. Gina has the best packing ever. This tape is like industrial strength here. But anyway, if I have any extras in here, duplicates of things that I already have, just grabbing out my receipt. If I have any duplicates, I am going to give them away for free. And this is a celebration of the new year, a celebration of my channel, and I just wanted to do something to show how much I appreciate all of you for your support of my channel this year. And if you could stay tuned to the end of the video, that's when I will give the instructions for the giveaway, because first I need to see if I have duplicates or not. So let's get started. I did already make a purchase of some of the items from December, so I asked for a second incentive stamp because the first one was that beautiful floral butterfly. So this is what they sent, and this one is called Tall Stems, and it is so gorgeous. I just love that, and you can do a great job on a card front, just like a little, like a pick-me-up card, birthday card, thinking of you card. Just color these in, or so anyway, so that's the incentive I got with that. I had also ordered just a couple of things. I needed to get a new long block, so I got that. Let's see. And additionally, I did order, because I wanted to get this up to $75 so I could get the incentive. I got some black toner card fronts, so I can use that with the poly glaze to foil the reverse. And I needed to get some Masking Magic. And like I said, the packaging is amazing, so you never have to worry that your items are going to get ruined in the mail. Alright, let's put this to the side. So here we go. Drum roll. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Oh, looks like a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness! I had wanted this so bad. I'm really excited. This is the Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. With this cute little mouse. I love that one. Let's see. This one is Kindness Silhouettes. Beautiful foliage. This one is that Merry Sentiment strips. So somebody is going to be able to try and request these, because I know for sure that this is a duplicate. I also believe that this one is a duplicate. This one is called Wonderfully Made. And after the video, I'm just going to go through my inventory and just double check and so then you can see there. What is this one called? Fresh Florals. I'm not sure if I have this one. Looks to be a layering stamp. And I like these sentiments. Ooh, I definitely don't have this one. Oh, I love the font on these. This one is called Toss the Bouquet. And it's just a beautiful bouquet of flowers. And it came with the die set to cut that out. So that is gorgeous. This one is called Holiday Ornament. And it does have the dies with that. That's really cool. Oh, let's see. This one is called Magnolia Wishes. This has the dies too. I don't think I have this one, but we'll have to see. Oh, but I do think I have this one, so somebody might be the winner of this one. Snow Much Love. I'll have to double check. But if it has snowflakes, I usually have it. And here are all the dies to go with that. So the mystery boxes, I believe, are $60. So this is how many. You get these huge stamp sets with the dies. I mean, normally one to two items would be $60. So this is a great value. Look at these huge stamp sets. That's all the stuff that we got. Ugh. Lots of dies. And that was mine. Okay, so what I am going to do, this is how I will arrange this giveaway. I will list in the YouTube comments any of the sets that are available that are duplicates of what I already have. Send me an email naming which one you would like, and my email is contactegidesigns@gmail.com. And then for each product, the first person to contact me about that item, I will send that to them. So be sure to include your name and address so I can send it out to you, and only one item per person, please. But if it's a stamp and a die set, obviously I will send these together. So yeah, I think that's it. So we have the exciting giveaway. Let me go through all my inventory and see what I have duplicates of, and then I will get that up and list it in the comments. If you found this valuable, please, I would love to have you as a subscriber if you could hit that button, and I think we are good to go. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have a great day, and Happy New Year. Till next time, bye-bye. Here are some additional videos I think you might like. Thanks so much for watching.